Hi, my name is Mason. Things happen in families, and that makes life beautiful. For example, every summer, my father is super cautious about the country's electricity power.
Guys, it's 70 degrees and I'm gonna turn on the air conditioner for about 10 seconds. Take your seats and enjoy the moment. It's enough. It's too cold now.
Oh no, Dad, come on, no!
He really cares, just like the government. He also never turns on the air conditioner in the car. He cares that much. Dad, this is scorching.
Yes, son. That's why I rolled the windows down.
He's never going to turn on the air conditioner. Maybe I have to trick him into doing it.
Dad,
Yes?
did you know if the weather is hot and you don't turn on the air conditioner and you roll down the windows, it causes depreciation and more gas usage?
Oh, really? Okay. Now it's better. No depreciation and less gas usage. Thanks, son.
Yeah. My mom is super kind. She's so kind that if she gets angry, she never takes it out on me.
Mason, sweetie, can you bring a glass of water for me? I feel parched.
Oh yes, Mom.
پدر سگ, I asked you one thing and you ruined the whole kitchen.
See, she never insults me. By the way, today is International Parents' Day. Write something beautiful to your parents in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and share this post with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mason, and bye-bye!